As the title said, in this video I will repair the mirror for this BMW X3. In this case the hinge failed and the mirror is broken. Officially for this type of problem you won't find parts to repair it, so you'll need to replace the entire assembly. Unofficially, there are manufacturers that are doing the hinge part that will fail, and because of that I'm and you are able to repair these mirrors. It's a little bit of work, but it's doable, it's repairable. I have here the new hinge. I ordered two because on this car both mirrors are damaged, and as you can see, this is the part. If you ask yourself, no, this car was not vandalized. This type of hinges will fail, especially after a couple of years and in the cold weather. First step is to remove the glass and the exterior case, because in this way it will be easier to work with the mirror, will be lighter. To remove the glass, I will need to manually push the glass like so. And using a flat head screwdriver, I have first clip here. It's one of the 4 clips that this mirror have. You can see it right there. You will put the screwdriver between the mirror and the base, exactly there, and you will try to twist the screwdriver slowly and carefully, and the first clip is disengaged. You see, this from here and this one from here are the clips, and next clip will be released by tension, and at this moment I can pull the glass. I need to disconnect the plug, the same with the flathead screwdriver. I need to raise a little bit this stop from here and pull the plug. Now with the T20 I will remove these 4 screws. After removing the screws with my hands, I'm able to apply tension, pressure between this black piece and the painted one. So I need to pull them to separate the mirror casing. Like so. When doing that, these clips from here will be released. Now I can remove my temporary repair. This temporary repair was good for, I don't know, 1 month or 2 months. Now the exterior part is removed. Let me see, I have here this clip, this one, this one, this one, and another one here. And to be able to completely remove the black part, the front part, I have to remove this screw from here. This screw will keep in place this base plate, but I need to remove the screw to pull back the base plate, like so, to be able to release this clip, because this stop from here will stay behind this clip and you will not be able to push it back and release it. Now I'm able to remove this part. For the moment I will put back this shoelace, like so, because at this moment I will start to remove the mirror from the inside. From the inside I will need to remove the upper part of the door panel, only to have access to remove this panel. To remove the upper part I have a screw here. Inside here I have another T20 screw. After removing the screw, I'm able to pull the panel. It's perfect. I see here now I have access to this trim, and to pull it I have here in this area a clip. It will be a good idea to open the window. Now I can pull this trim inside, like so. And I have access to the screws and the plug. I need to remove the plug. The plug have two clips on each side, this one and this one. And with the T30 I will start to remove the screws. At the last screw, I need to be careful not to push the screw against the mirror, because when I will do that, I will push the mirror and the mirror will fall down. And now I can remove the mirror. Like so. With the mirror removed, now the fun part will begin. It was easier for me to remove the mirror and the covers on the vehicle because the mirror was kept in place by the door, so I had my hands free. Now you can see the hinge part that is broken. This is the aftermarket replacement piece. It's similar. Now I will need to start the process of completely disassemble. I need to pull back the harness, the pins, through the hinge before I will be able to replace it. I need to unhook this harness from here, like so. I need to feed back the harness to be able to pull the plug out. Like so. Now the plug out, I'm able to open it. For the video cable, for the 360 camera, I need to push this tab and the cable will be released. Now I can separate the base plate, like so. I can pull the wires inside. Like so. And you can see the part where this hinge failed. I will grease a little bit this. And now is the painful step, because I need to overcome the tension of this spring to push this hinge inside and twist it. Because I need to push these pins inside this part, and I will need to twist the pins from here over that ridge. You see that ridge from here inside onto this place. Yeah. Okay, let me try something to remove this corner. And to slide it. I'll make a test without the spring, so I need to push it inside, and now it's locked. Okay, I was not able to do this on the table with the tools that I have here, so my next step is to try to use my weight and see what will happen. Oh no. This one is better. You are coming home with me. After a quick visit to Harbor Freight and 23 bucks later, I have here some reinforcements because I was not able to do that with my own power. I have some pliers and a new brush to clean the dust. Okay, take 2. We need to align them. Oh, not my fingers. Okay. One done. Okay, I need to make sure that everything is perfectly aligned here and along this seam. It's perfect. And last piece, the glass, the mirror itself. Now I need to put back the glass and make sure that it's in its perfect spot, and I will check for play, and it's perfect. Now I will prepare the surface. Okay, now I can put back the mirror. Perfect. Connect back the plug. Make sure it's clipped. I will make sure that the rubber surface is ready for clipping back the trim. You can see here this was not clipped correctly. So I need to make sure that this thing is going inside. Also here the same thing, but first I need to make sure that this clip from here, you see it? It's in its place to receive this lip. Okay, and now I can clip back the door panel. Back the T20 that I have removed from here. Clean the dust. Now I can check the mirror functions. Yeah, it's moving. I won't push the fold-in mirrors yet because I need to repair the one from the other side. And the same, I will repeat the process with this mirror. On this side, also I need to remove this cover because I have another screw here. The same treatment. I release the harness from here, remove the shoelace, pull out the plug, throw this junk away, put this thing back, clean a little bit the area, re-grease everything. So I need to put the mirror somewhere around, I don't know, 45 degrees opened or over the head. I need to check to see if the splines are aligned. Now let me see if I'm able to squeeze the mirror, squeeze this spring. And this time I need to bring the base and I need to keep in place the spring with the hinge. I need to, I don't know if you can see it. You see it inside there? The lip, it's almost touching. Now it's perfect. Now the mirrors are done. Let me test the fold-in function. Nice. Nice. And this job is done. Everything is working perfectly. Be careful with that small spring because it's very powerful and can be dangerous. If you learned something new from this video, show me by hitting the like button. Thank you for watching these videos. Again, thank you for being with me. And until next time, you know the drill. Stay awesome. Bye now.